Trust LML Repair Shop for Google Authorized Repairs. Your Google device is more than a phone. It's your map, your memories, your lifeline. But when it's damaged, who can you trust to fix it? At LML Repair Shop, we're proud to be a Google Authorized Repair Provider. That means your device is in the hands of certified experts who understand it inside and out. Here's what makes us the trusted choice for your Google device. Genuine Google parts. Only original components designed for your Pixel and other Google devices. Certified technicians, trained by Google to deliver precise, expert repairs. Warranty protection. Repairs backed by Google's warranty for complete peace of mind. Whether it's a cracked screen, a faulty battery, or a software issue, we've got you covered. With fast turnaround times and unmatched expertise, we'll have your Google device running like new. At LML Repair Shop, we believe in more than just fixing devices. We're restoring connections, memories, and peace of mind. Trust the experts who put quality and care first. Don't settle for less. Visit LML Repair Shop, your trusted Google Authorized Repair Provider. Book your repair today and let us bring your Google device back to life with genuine care and certified expertise. LML Repair Shop. Your Google device deserves nothing less.